Now to the continued cleanup in Virginia Beach. There are still so many stories to tell of people rising from the rubble after Sunday's twister. Chopper 10 shot these images of the destruction that have been seen around the world.
And when you look at the destruction from that EF3 tornado, it bears repeating that no one was hurt or killed. Now the victims are left to find the skilled hands to rebuild their homes. Lauren Moss explains that challenge behind that, all new tonight.
We know from the city of Virginia Beach the tornado caused more than $15 million worth of damage, much of that to homes. Some people's homes have major damage, others are dealing with minor damage. What is the process to get everything fixed? It starts with filing a claim with your insurance company.
Just breathed a sigh of relief, and we're so thankful that we were alive and uninjured.
Ramona Drury says that was her first thought after the tornado ripped through Great Neck. It was later Drury realized the extent of the damage.
First thing we did that night was call the insurance agency.
Now she's just waiting.
It's very hard to be patient. I just want to get everything out of here and move on, but we have to wait and see what the damages are.
And it's normal for this process to take some time.
With supply chain being the way it is and demand usually right after a storm, there can be some delays.
That's why you should file your claim now.
Filing your claim is really that first step in the process to make sure that you can get your life back in order.
Most homeowner insurance policies cover damage from a tornado, and your policy will spell exactly what's covered.
A lot of times people are unsure of what they have. Just talk with us, talk with claims, and we will help them through that process.
Once you hit submit on your claim, an adjuster will then visit your home.
They will assess the damage, apply a dollar figure to that, work with the contractor.
You're responsible for the amount of your policy deductible. Again, it will take time for the final damage assessment, so if you need to make temporary fixes,
go ahead and do so. If you need to board your windows, put a tarp on your roof, something like that, do that. Just make sure that you document. So take photographs and keep your receipts.
When you move to make those permanent fixes with a contractor, make sure to research who you're working with.
Anytime an event like this comes through an area, we do see fraudulent contractors move through.
How do you make sure you have a reliable company? Check with your insurance company on who they recommend or look up the business rating on the Better Business Bureau. I'm Lauren Moss, 10 on your side.